All right, we're gonna get out here and check the old girls out. Hey babies, how you doing? Got my new cabbage here. This is what's left of the other one. Not a whole lot there. Look at that. I mean, they really tore it up. All you gotta do is get you a bar like that with a dog leash. Look at that. She's pecking at it with I got it holding it between my legs. Or careful. Go ahead and get this off here. I'll get it situated and I'll get right back with you. Got the new one in there. Got my eyebolt screwed into it. Set this down here. Go ahead. Go ahead. Come on, Ash. Come on in. Come on. Let me step out. She should be all right, but I'll let her go in. Go ahead, get these out of here. And I recommend taking a couple of outer leaves off. And believe it or not, they seem to like Carlie C's cabbage better than anybody else's. So they're loving it. All right.